be back in a minute.
How we doing?
We're doing fine. We're doing fine.
Colonel, Camp Clark, anybody hurt? Head and shoulder wounds. They didn't hit the left. Didn't hit at all.
Wait a minute. I think they're moving out that way. Can you see them, sir? They're coming again, boys! They're coming again!
I'll be damned.
Sergeant Owen! Sergeant Owen!
Yes, sir. Get up to the top of that hill and report me the situation from up there.
Oh, yes, sir.